Going on a trip is exciting, but before we go, we need a plan for our money. This plan is called a budget. It helps us have enough money for everything and not spend too much. Think of your budget like a suitcase. We only have so much space. We need to choose what's important to pack. In our budget, we decide what's important to spend money on. Do we want a fancy hotel or a cozy hostel? Will we eat out a lot or cook some meals? A budget helps us make these choices. It's okay if your budget isn't huge. Even with a little money, we can have a great trip. Let's see how. Every trip has a few main parts where we spend money. Transportation. This is how we get to our destination and around while we're there. Plane tickets, train rides, bus fares, even taxi rides all add up. Accommodation. This is where we sleep. It could be a hotel, a hostel, or even a campsite. Food, we gotta eat. Restaurants, cafes, snacks, it all counts. Activities and fun. This is the exciting part. Museum tickets, guided tours, trying local things. These are what make a trip special. Let's imagine a trip to a beautiful city like, say, Lisbon in Portugal. Transportation. A round-trip flight might cost $500. We could take the bus within the city for about $15 per day. Accommodation. A simple but nice hostel could be around $40 per night. Food. We could find tasty meals for about $25 each, and maybe $15 for breakfast at a local cafe. Activities. Visiting a historic castle might cost $10, and trying delicious Portuguese tarts could be $5 each. See? We're starting to get an idea of how much our trip might cost. It's helpful to write our budget down. We can make a simple table. Expense estimated cost transportation, $605. Accommodation, $280, 7 nights. Food, $315. Activities, $70. Total, $1,270. When we travel, it's good to have a mix of money options. Cash is king in many places, but having a bank card as backup is also smart. Remember, a budget is a tool to help us, not a rule book. It's okay if we spend a little more on something we love, as long as we're careful overall. So plan your budget, pack your bags, and get ready for an amazing adventure.